Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you want to build a beautiful website, make it with Squarespace. Hello. Sure, whatever. Haven't really had time to film much this week. Actually, I haven't filmed anything this week. I don't know why I'm trying to lie to you. And I decided not to film something because I don't want to put out content just because I want an upload schedule. It's not a priority of mine. I want this channel to be free and for me to show you what I'm up to when I feel like showing you what I'm up to, because those videos are always the best when I'm just feeling it, then you guys are feeling it, and then we have this thing. Well, anyway, today I'm going to be doing something really fun, which is why I've got the camera out. I'm going to be customizing my skates again because they have gotten very dirty. I'll show you them once I come back, but I'm just going to go to the shops, grab some spray paint and maybe a couple other things, not sure yet, and I'm gonna paint my skates. I've got ideas, and yeah. Let's do it. Here we are at my favorite place. Let's see if I'm brave enough to vlog inside. I doubt it. Surprise, surprise, I didn't vlog. There's no way that I was doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I got. So, first thing we got, some black spray paint. I did have to ask the people at Bunnings to help me. Hopefully it goes okay. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm painting them black, by the way, because I like black. I know I bought white skates because I liked the look of white skates, but all of my protective gear is black, and I just tend to wear black when I skate anyway, because it's kind of I don't know, a lot of my workout stuff is black. And I'm thinking, because I have pink wheels, I'm going to do a black and pink type of thing. So this is what I got. I got two of these little bunnies, and I might use these, but I might also not use them. And then I got this bling, and I think I'll definitely use these, put them on the back of the skates. I kind of wanted to do black and red, but my wheels are pink, so black and pink is the vibe that I'm going for. So now I'm going to give you an update. So, ruining my skates. No, loving. I've been using them. I've been using them very well. This is how the paint job's looking. The parts that I painted actually stayed up. Nothing is really, the paint, let me start that again. None of the actual little tiny paint things that I painted have rubbed off, which is awesome. But as you can see, they're very dirty, and this is really hard to clean. You know, it's time for a brand new look. And by the way, the reason that they're so dirty on the front is because I fall over all the time whenever I try something new. Here's a video of me falling over. That really hurt. It actually really hurt my knees. And not the knee that you think it would hurt. It's not the one that goes out sideways. I hurt my back knee quite a bit, but I'm all good now. Wait, I'm gonna clean the laces as well today. Yeah, I'm just fucking fly. Stupid flies. Skirt. I might change my stops as well, because I wore down my pink ones, so I ordered these blue ones. But while I was waiting, I went to a skate shop, and one of the guys there gave me a discounted pair of stops. I think they were on display, which is why they were discounted, but they're black. So I might put them back on. I don't know. We'll see what the vibe is. But now I'm going to set up a sheet outside, a spray painting area. I'm going to tape them and cover the steel parts of the boot. And then we're going to get spray painting. I'm very excited for this. I have taped and paper toweled the wheels and silver parts of my skates, and I did put a painting shirt over the top of my shirt because it would be a shame if I got paint on my jumper, and I should really know better by now. Painting clothes are for painting, regular clothes are for regularing. If you ever listened to this album, your childhood was the shit. So I'm in my laundry now, and the lighting is great, and there I am, and there I am, and there I am, and here I am. I'm going to try to scrub the stains out of my white laces. I don't know if this is going to work. Look at that. You can't even see. skates aren't drying as quickly as I thought they were. It's been like half an hour and they're still wet. So I'm gonna spray the rest of the boot. I didn't ruin them, but I'm close to, I can feel it. So I'm gonna stop, let them dry. My kettle is leaking. No, it's leaking. I thought I was crazy, but my kettle is leaking. That sucks. So annoying. And I'm making vegetables. Oh, hi. Selfie. Oh. They have some very subtle glitter. I don't know why I'm so happy this morning, because I've woken up and my skates are still very wet. So it could be the case that I need to let them dry for longer, like a week or something. But I really don't want to do that. And I know that paint will dry on them. I just need to get the right type. So I started taking it off with Terps and it came off so easy. So I think that's a like indication that I should take it off, because these parts of the shoe are completely dry. Like if it was all wet, I would have waited for it all to dry, but the fact that the like heel of the boot, which is made of a different material to the actual boot itself, is dry to the touch. I think I've just bought the wrong paint for the boot. So yeah, I'm gonna go back and buy, I think I'm gonna try to just buy like an acrylic spray paint. I did Google it as well, and apparently people have problems with the spray paint that I bought on plastic, with it like just being tacky forever. So unfortunately that was a bit of a waste of money, but you know, I knew that this was a risk, and I have good faith that it'll all turn out, because I literally just won't give up, because I'm that bitch. So it's back to Bunnings I go. I'm not even gonna bring my camera. I'm just gonna go in there, find acrylic spray paint, you know. Before I go to Bunnings, I'll give you a bit of an outfit shot. Where can I put my camera? Starting with my shoes. I got these secondhand from eBay because I don't really support leather, but my other Doc Martens, which were synthetic leather, fell apart. Actually, that's something I need to fix today. Anyway, I got these from someone who didn't want them, so I was very happy with that. And I'm wearing a skirt with a long sleeve top, t-shirt, cardigan. I love that the weather has cooled down because I can wear layers, bitch. Okay, I need to stop saying bitch. Sorry. Whoa, I'm falling. I'm back. I spoke to the guy at Bunnings and he said that the paint that I use would never dry on the skates because of the plastic on the skates. Even though it said that it bonds to plastic, it doesn't bond to that particular type of plastic. So he suggested that I sand it and then apply, I don't remember what paint he suggested, but I bought an acrylic spray paint. So I'm I'm hoping it'll work, otherwise I'm just gonna fuck up my skates and, you know, whatever, it's fine. I'm not too precious about them because they still work, obviously. And like at some point I'm gonna get a new pair, like in the future. I'm not really thinking about it right now, so it's fine. I'm not, you know, don't worry about it. It'll be fine. I'm having vegetables, roast vegetables, and avocado. Welcome to what I eat in a day, except for this is the only thing I'm going to show you. And coffee. Contrary to popular belief, though, I don't actually drink coffee all the time. I like to take healthy breaks from it. Also, I did sneakily touch my boots and it is dry. But looking positive. What's your opinion on roast onions? Because I fucking love them. Just thought I'd give you a boot update because you already saw me spray paint them once. I'm not gonna just make you sit through that again. It's looking way more positive this time. I sprayed these about 20 minutes ago and they're dry. Yes. Hello. Hello. It's the final day of skate painting because my skates are dry. So I thought the skates would look better with black laces, so I've spray painted, well, I've started to spray paint an old pair of laces. And I used my acrylic spray paint on this one and the original spray paint I bought, which is, you know, not for shoelaces, but it seems to have dried like really nicely. So I'm going to go with this spray paint on my laces. Wasn't a waste of money after all. Also, I feel like such a scientist, like doing tests. I mean, that's all I'm doing, but I feel like a scientist. Hello. I should start all my videos like that. Hi. Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you the final results. I'm wearing them if you can't tell, which is why I'm making weird noises. And I'm inside, I'm in my house because it's been raining today, so I can't go to the skate park. But I wanted to finish this video off here because it's already quite long. I didn't realize. I thought this would be like a 5-minute video and it's not. So I'm in my roller skate studio. I'm in my roller skating loft. I'm in my skate flat. I'm in the house of wheels. I'm not sure what else to say. I'm gonna show you them now.
Till time is right, the night is young and so am I. Bottle it up, keep it inside, don't let it out till time is right. And here we go, here we go. I'm so over getting sober.
Wow, that was smooth. You know what else is smooth? Squarespace. Squarespace is a website building platform. I've used it for years before they even contacted me, and I can honestly say it's the best website building platform I've ever used. I recently updated my website and it was just like, it was fun to do. Like I'm not into web design, but with Squarespace, everything just like fits into the place that it's supposed to be. So it's really fun to use, it's really rewarding experience, and you get a great website. If you are a creative person and you don't have an online presence, you need to get a website with Squarespace. Use it as a portfolio, an online store, or anything that you want to put on the internet. You can use Squarespace to build it. Hey. One of my favorite things is their customer service. It's 24 hours a day and the people are really nice and understanding. So if you have any questions, you can just ask them and they'll be like, oh yeah, do this. And then you do it and it works. So if you would like 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain, head to squarespace.com/Zazalini and you'll get it. You'll also get a free trial, which is awesome. You can try it out, try all the different templates without paying a single thing. And then when you decide you love it, you'll get that 10% discount. Thank you, Squarespace. Thank you for watching. I hear your requests for skate vlogs. I'm gonna see what I can do. Bye. Bye.
Bottle it up, keep it inside, don't let it out till